Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the sheet open and a copy saved. Now pick the column with the text you want to fix. First, insert a helper column next to the data so you don't overwrite originals. If you want to collapse multiple spaces to one, you'll use trim. If you want to remove every space, use substitute. You'll type a formula in the helper cell, so select the top helper cell now and get ready to enter trim or substitute formulas. Type the appropriate formula and press enter. Once done, grab the fill handle and drag down or double-click it to copy the formula through the list. Make sure to handle non-breaking spaces by wrapping substitute around char 160 before trimming, because web data often uses that code. If you need to remove tabs or line breaks, nest clean around your formula. As you copy, watch a few rows to confirm results. Undo quickly if anything looks. When the helper column looks correct, copy it, then paste special right arrow values over the original column so formulas are gone and plain text remains. Next, delete the helper column and scan a few entries to ensure spacing is as expected. If something still looks off, use a formula like equals code. Left, A2 1 or equals code. Right, A2 1 to reveal hidden characters, then replace those codes with substitute. If find and replace seems to do nothing, check for char 160 or other invisible characters, and replace them explicitly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.